Some people think women should be given equal chances to work and excel in their careers. Others believe that a woman's role should be limited to taking care of the house and children. Which opinion do you agree with and why? Include specific details and examples to support your choice. I firmly believe that women should be given equal chances to work and excel in their careers, and I disagree with the notion that a woman's role should be limited to taking care of the house and children. This perspective is rooted in principles of gender equality, personal choice, and the recognition of the diverse talents and aspirations of women. Here are specific details and examples to support this viewpoint. Gender equality. Gender equality is a fundamental principle of modern society. Denying women equal opportunities in the workplace is a form of discrimination that hinders social progress. It restricts women's rights and perpetuates harmful stereotypes about their capabilities. In contrast, granting women equal access to careers and opportunities promotes fairness and social justice. Personal choice. Every individual, regardless of gender, should have the freedom to choose their path in life. Restricting women to traditional roles implies that their aspirations and interests are less valuable than those of men. It is essential to respect the choices and aspirations of women, whether they want to pursue careers, manage households, or both. Society benefits when individuals are empowered to make choices that align with their personal goals and talents. Economic empowerment. Encouraging women to participate in the workforce benefits both individuals and society as a whole. When women have equal opportunities to work and excel in their careers, they can contribute significantly to economic growth and stability. They can support their families financially, invest in education, and improve their overall quality of life. Role models and inspiration. Women who excel in their careers serve as role models and sources of inspiration for future generations. When girls and young women see successful women in various professions, it broadens their horizons and encourages them to pursue their ambitions without feeling constrained by gender roles. Diverse perspectives. Gender diversity in the workplace is known to enhance creativity and problem solving. By limiting women to traditional roles, society misses out on the valuable contributions and perspectives they can offer in various fields, including business, science, politics, and technology. Legal and ethical considerations. Many countries have implemented laws and regulations that promote gender equality in the workplace. These legal measures aim to eliminate discrimination and create a level playing field for women. It is both ethical and just to support and uphold these principles. For example, countries like Iceland have made significant progress in achieving gender equality in the workforce. Through policies that promote equal pay for equal work and support for working parents, they have created an environment where women can thrive in their careers while balancing family responsibilities. In conclusion, advocating for women's equal chances to work and excel in their careers is not just a matter of personal preference. It is a matter of fundamental human rights and societal progress. Embracing diversity and providing equal opportunities for all, regardless of gender, leads to a more equitable and prosperous world for everyone.